Look, baby, right there. You got it, baby, all by yourself. Good job, honey. Did you find one? Good girl.
I just wanted to get to the thingy today and find all of them.
I know it. We've been in training. Jenny hid a bunch of them last night.
Just don't bring out any of them, she'll lose them.
I know it.
This one anyway.
Good job, buddy.
Open it.
Say open, please.
Come on, we want quarters. No, quarters are expensive, I need quarters, not pennies.